Well, I'm walking down Rexford and Pico here. I'm going on my lunch break. There's this pizza place also called Brooklyn Pizza where they have a television. And I usually like to order the appetizer sampler instead usually. It comes with wings, mozzarella sticks, and meatballs. And I had to get out my umbrella because there is some rain falling here. And it's like 20 degrees cooler today. And yes, we all know it's springtime, April showers, and we could really use some rain here. I'm sure all the plants and trees need it too, because April showers bring May flowers. And yes, it's strange. And yeah, the Dodgers are going to be playing the Giants this afternoon. It's the Giants home opener, and I'm sure all the fans up there are going to go wild saying, "Beat LA, beat LA." And it's possible because we already won 3 in a row in San Diego. But San Francisco reloaded, They signed Jeff Samardzija and Johnny Cueto. Of course, Madison Bumgarner's their ace. And, of course, you had the killer piece of Panic, Pence, and Posey and Pagan. But, the rivalry is about to begin right here. And, yeah, the streets are a little bit slippery right now. And I have to press the walk signal. And yeah, the Angels also resume action tonight against the Rangers. And hopefully the Angels can get back on the winning side. Yeah, Mike Trout and Albert Pujols. Yeah, we have Adrian Gonzalez and newcomers Trace Thompson. And come on, light signal. It takes forever to cross here on Pico and Glenville. And well, it's because there's always a lot of traffic flow on Pico Boulevard. It's a good thing I keep my umbrella handy just in case. Always got to watch out for vehicles here. And I just hope that Pico Boulevard's a pretty busy street. And yeah, the roads are slippery. And there's other people that want to cross the street. There's a big blue bus that just came by. Yes. Who says it never rains in Southern California? Yes. Lights are yellow, so it's across the street. And I could still see the downtown skyline over there. And this is why April has strange weather. And here we're going to Brooklyn Pizza. All right. Catch you a little later on. Peace out.